AI just replaced another human job, and this time it's more shocking than ever. Companies are now using AI to replace workers at an alarming rate, and some experts say this is just the beginning. So, what job is next? And should you be worried? Let's break it down. Just last week, an unnamed company announced that it fired over 500 employees and replaced them with an advanced AI system. The company claims this move will save millions of dollars, but what does this mean for the future of jobs? AI is advancing at lightning speed, with new developments in automation, self-learning algorithms, and even humanoid robots. Experts predict that in just 5 years, AI could replace millions of jobs. But is this a good or bad thing? Elon Musk has repeatedly warned that AI could be more dangerous than nuclear weapons, if not regulated properly. And he's not alone. Many tech leaders are raising concerns about the rapid growth of AI. So, should we be scared? Or should we embrace AI? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to stay updated on the biggest AI and tech news, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next video.